हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम रिवाइज करने वाले हैं आईडी चैप्टर नंबर 3, दैट इज न्यू इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसी। शुरुआत करते हैं। सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन ये है, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय डेफिसिट? डेफिसिट का मतलब होता है जब गवर्नमेंट का एक्सपेंडिचर गवर्नमेंट के रेवेन्यू से ज्यादा है तो उसे हम डेफिसिट बोलते हैं। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज, गवर्नमेंट कहां कहां से बोरोइंग कर सकती है? इसके तीन आंसर है। फर्स्ट इज पब्लिक, सेकेंड इज आरबीआई एंड थर्ड इज द रेस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, राइट? दैट इज फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन जो होती है बाहर की, वहां से लोन ले सकती है। थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ आईबीआरडी, दैट इज इंडस्ट्रियल बैंक फॉर रिकंस्ट्रक्शन एंड डेवलपमेंट। फोर्थ क्वेश्चन इज IBRD is also known as, the answer is World Bank. Fifth question is, the new economic policy was classified into two categories. A. Structural measures. B. Stabilization measures. Who was the finance minister who brought the new economic policy in India? The answer is Dr. Manmohan Singh. Stabilization measures are intended to correct which deficit? The answer is BOP deficit. The next question is, which were the industries which were reserved for public sector even after the new economic policy? The answer is DAR. D means defense, A means atomic, and R means railway. The next question is, who regulate the financial sector of India? The answer is Reserve Bank of India. The next question is, the role of the RBI has reduced from the regulator to what? The answer is facilitator. Now they are only the facilitator of commercial bank. The next question is, what are the full form of MRTP? The answer is Monopoly Restrictive Trade Practice Act. The investment limit for the financial sector for foreign banks is how much? The answer is up to 50%. The next question is, when was GST implemented in India? The answer is 1st July 2017. The next question is, when was the latest demonetization of Indian currency was happened? The answer is 8th November 2016. What was the purpose for simplification of indirect tax? The answer is for better compliance. In foreign exchange reforms, what were the measures which has been done by the country? The answer is devaluation of domestic currency. Foreign exchange reforms was made in order to resolve. The answer is BOP crisis. The next question is, in order to protect the domestic companies from the foreign competition, what policies government was made? The answer is tariff and quota system. Import licensing was abolished except for few industries. The answer is those industries which fall under hazardous and environmental sensitive industries. Those industries still have to take license for importing goods. The next question is, in which year the quantitative restrictions on import of consumer and agriculture goods was removed? The answer is 2001. If a public sector sells a part of his shares to the private sector, it is called? The answer is disinvestment. What do you mean by strategic sale? If the sale of public sector is more than 51%, then we will say it is a strategic sale. The next question is, the public sector undertaking, that is SAIL, SAIL, is it a Navratna? True or false? The answer is false. It is given the special status as Maharatnas. अगला क्वेश्चन है कि what special status has been given to IRCTC? The answer is, it is given as mini Ratnas. The next question is, India was a favorable destination for outsourcing. For what reason? The answer is, first, because of cheap and skilled labor, and second is the development of IT infrastructure. The next question is, when was WTO was formed? The answer is 1995. The next question is, WTO was formed as a successor of which organization? The answer is GATT, that is General Agreement of Trade and Tariff. In which year and with how many countries GATT was formed? The answer is 23 countries and it was formed in 1948. The last question is, WTO has made some rule-based trading regime where countries cannot place which kind of restrictions? The answer is arbitrary restrictions. No country can place an arbitrary restrictions on foreign countries. और इसी के साथ आईडी चैप्टर 3 का भी अपना रिवीजन कंप्लीट हो जाता है. If you like this video, kindly share it to your friends. Thank you.